Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from PayPal. First thing you do is link a bank account to your PayPal account. Click on PayPal app and select wallet at the bottom. You will see here banks and cards. Click the plus icon and select banks. Now click on go to our website. Click on I'm not a robot. Now choose email in your PayPal account. So let's proceed here. Type here the given information of your bank account. After all, click link your bank. Go to PayPal. Now that you have a bank account linked to your PayPal, scroll down to PayPal balance and you will see at the bottom the three dots. Click on transferring money. Then it have two options, transfer within minutes and transfer 1 to 3 days. Then at the bottom you see transfer and click on that. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.